Hi everyone, welcome back to the ViewSonic London head office. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new ColorPro VP2786-4K professional monitor and going through some of its new features and innovations. So the VP86 series features our latest ID in the ColorPro line, including our all-new sleek metal stand. Once you open the box, you'll be greeted with this information card. On the right here, it shows you how to unbox a monitor and put it all together, as well as how to construct the stand, which we'll go through shortly. You've also got a little information card here for our creators from ColorPro, and also an indication of some of the validations and awards won by the 86 series, including its Pantone validation and IF Design Award winner. Next up, we're going to move these pieces of packaging to one side and then take a look inside the box. First of all, we will take out the metal base, pop that down, and then the arm of the stand. We'll put these together shortly. We also have our magnetic hood, which attaches to the top of the monitor, and our all-new interface, the ColorPro wheel. Looking at cables, we have our UK power adapter and European power adapter. These are just kettle leads, so they can be replaced if you lose them. The power supply is built into the monitor itself. We have an HDMI cable, a USB-A to USB Type-B cable, and last but not least, a USB Type-C cable for data and power. So we'll move the accessories and cables to one side, and we can start to construct the stand. The stand is an all-new metal design and offers complete ergonomic flexibility. So once you've taken it out of the packaging, we'll also take the base out as well. So to construct the stand, I'll just move this box out of the way. You simply take the neck and attach it to the base. It will sit on there, and then you screw up the thumb screw on the bottom until it's tight, and then the stand is constructed and secure. So now we'll bring our box back over, and we actually can put the monitor together whilst it's still in the box. So we'll remove this carton from the top and bring this panel down, split apart the cover here, and then simply slot in the two prongs into the back of the monitor, and you should hear a click as it goes in. Then you can pull out the monitor from the box nice and securely. So now we can remove the protective cover from the 86 series and then move our box out of the way. So the stand on the VP86 series gives you complete ergonomic control. You've got swivel, height, tilt, and also rotation functionality as well. Also included in the box is a magnetic darkroom hood, custom made for the 86 series. This seamlessly attaches onto the top of the monitor and blocks out any external light sources to create a focused workstation. Also included with the VP86 series is the ColorPro wheel. The ColorPro wheel is a completely new interface designed by ViewSonic to adjust monitor settings, and it also integrates with software including ColorPro React and Adobe Photoshop. The ColorPro wheel also acts as a calibration device, ensuring your monitor provides color accurate output for your creative work. The VP2786-4K provides ultimate precision when working on creative projects, with 100% Adobe RGB and 98% DCI-P3 with true 10-bit color. The ultra-high definition 4K IPS display also ensures you see every detail in your photography, design, illustration, or video work. You can also rely on the 86 series for identical output from screen to print. FOGRA and ID Alliance certification provide printout quality guarantees for flawless soft proofing. The 86 series also boasts high dynamic range with HDR10, elevating the vibrance of light and depth of darks in your work. Ports on the monitor include 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 display port, 1 USB Type-C port, which offers 90 watts of charging as well as data and video, 1 headphone out port, 1 USB Type-B port, and 4 USB 3.2 ports. The back of the monitor also features our backstage light, providing illumination behind the monitor during darkroom conditions. The VP2786-4K is the right model for you if you're looking for a 4K professional monitor designed to meet the visual needs of world-class photographers, illustrators, and artists. That was a first look at the all-new VP2786-4K ColorPro monitor. For all the information, specs, and details, check the link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.